And action. Hey everyone, on tonight's episode of Backlogs, I present you a 46-inch, I believe, Fasco State Fair, which was manufactured October of 1985, which just celebrated its 40th birthday. And I've had this fan since like 2018, but I finally got to hanging it a few months ago. Now I finally got to filming it. Had to tweak it a little bit. See, that's what happens when you just acquire, certain things get abandoned, left behind. But anyway, enough about that. It's got the slide up canopy right there, signature Fasco slide up canopy. I don't know if 85 or 86 was last year Fasco used it. Set screw is not original. I had to improvise on that. I don't know what the dimensions are for the Fasco set screws, but thankfully I had something that worked. If any of you know in the comments, feel free to post. There's the sideband. Straight capsule shaped vents like you find on the parlor fan models, which I'd love to acquire. Just haven't found a good deal on one yet. And the reverse switch is hidden up in the vents. There's the flywheel, and no, the flywheel is not metal. Fasco is teasing us. It's actually rubber. The blades mount to the rubber flywheel right there. See that? See that there? And the turtle 3-light turtle fitter was something that I added. And that being said, let's shed a little light on the situation, shall we? There we go. Looks awesome illuminated. Most of the Fascos in my collection are the ever popular Charleston. But for a non-Charleston, this is a great fan. And as you can see, it's got the second generation Fasco Charleston badges. It's got the square blades. The sort of like a mahogany finish with a sort of like a matte sheen to it. And the pull chains were something that I added as well. So I basically made it my own. I think it looks perfect like this. And anyway, let's rev it up first on low. See the flywheel right there. I don't think that's a problem, but I don't know if that's just an illusion of it, like sort of zigzagging, but I don't think it's off balance at all. I never understood why Fasco would have a metal bottom and a rubber top flywheel. They should just put the made all metal like they did on their ever popular 4-blade models like the Charleston, the Parlor Fan, Old South, etc. Medium. Do another close-up of the flywheel. I don't know if that's a bad sign or not, but this fan doesn't get used much. Let's bump it up to high, shall we? Wow. This fan, I dare say, is a tornado on high. In fact, it's like a hurricane. I just put some blade balancing kits on it, some weights on it, and that reduced the wobble greatly. It does somewhat vibrate only if you're looking for it, but I don't think it's that bad once I tweaked it. I'm OCD about the fans I show. I like them to run as stable as possible. Look at that. Yeah, no need to rev up all the other fans you see in the background. And now we will, with this on, so now we'll power it down. Bearings are good on this fan too. I'm really impressed with this fan. Flywheel might be a little wonky, but I don't think it's problematic at this point. Yeah, these are somewhat rare Fascos. It's on par with the 6-blade World's Fair. I do not have one of those. It's usually rare to find a Fasco in something other than 4-blade configuration. And a fun fact, I always mistook these Fascos for Hunters given the square blades. But it wasn't until circa 1993 I found out that these were not manufactured by Hunter, they were Fasco. Okay, folks, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.